Good day, guys, from the very top of Copenhagen. I'm literally standing here at a rooftop and I've been thinking about something for a while. Over the last couple of years, I have had the opportunity to meet many specialists in the drone industry. Researchers, drone pilots, engineers, surveyors. But I've noticed one thing. Many of us only know a handful of people, and there isn't a place where we can meet all together. And I decided to create one. On Saturday, September 26th, I am organizing the first Danish drone meetup. It is organized for engineers, drone pilots, researchers, and people just interested in where the drone industry is heading. So if you're one of them, I will love to see you here. This is not a conference. There won't be long presentations and stuff. We are starting out with a couple of talks, and after that it will just be casual networking where I hope that you will develop many new partnerships, friendships, and potentially collaborations. The event is limited to 30 participants. We want to keep it small, so I have put the registration form in the video description. So go ahead and register, and see you on September 26th. Fly safe and see you there.